This 2021 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer 364 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Highland Ridge is 39 feet 8 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a boardwalk interior, sleeps aid, oven, air conditioning, LP detector, TV antenna, skylight, external shower, spare tire kit, smoke detector, water heater, microwave, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, loft, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer 364 BHS is 11,289 pounds. This 2021 Highland Ridge Open Range Roamer 364 BHS. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.